Moving on to causes of coastal flooding. And we're going to be looking at storm surges, tsunamis, and climate change. Starting with storm surges. What is a storm surge? Well, it's a temporary rise in local sea level produced when a storm reaches a coast. In terms of the optimum conditions for a storm surge, it's a combination of high tides and low-lying land. And a place where this commonly happens is the Bay of Bengal. What about tsunamis? So how are tsunamis caused? They're caused by earthquakes which occur at destructive plate boundaries. And then in more detail, an oceanic plate is subducted, so forced under a continental plate. And it's this movement which thrusts the water above, causing the huge characteristic tsunami wave. And as we know, these waves can travel enormous distances. What happens when the waves reach shallower water is, first of all, the shallower water causes the slowing of the waves. You might know this from physics. When waves slow down, they move closer together. It's a bit like traffic on a motorway. The slower the traffic, the closer the cars are. The height of the wave may increase by several meters. And then the water retreats, and this indicates that the tsunami is approaching the coast. And then you get the huge waves which are characteristic of the tsunami. Lastly, how does climate change cause coastal flooding? Well, it's the release of greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, methane. The enhanced greenhouse effect causes global warming, and that melts polar ice caps. Then you get a rise in sea level, which will obviously flood low-lying land and coastal areas. So you'll probably know this from biology as well.